Welcome to Festive Phrases from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Mark, and each day of December I'm bringing you a festive phrase in a different language. Today, I'm with José, because we're learning Spanish.
Buenos días a todos. Me llamo José. ¿Cómo estás, Mark?
Estoy muy bien, gracias, José. I'm well, thanks. Now, Spanish is a major world language. Indeed, it's one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. There are 28 million people in Spain itself, but there are many more Spanish speakers all around the world. Spanish is actually the official language of Belize, Bolivia, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Equatorial Guinea, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, Nicaragua, Panama, Peru, Puerto Rico, Uruguay, and Venezuela. And there are 28 million speakers of Spanish in the United States of America. Okay, it's time now to learn our Spanish festive phrase. José, can you tell us how you would say Happy Christmas in Spanish?
Feliz Navidad.
Let's hear that again, perhaps a little more slowly, please.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay, so you can now add Spanish to the list of languages in which you can give festive greetings. Let's add our Spanish speakers to the map. There are around 328 million speakers of Spanish worldwide. And if we add these speakers to the speakers of the languages we've already learned in festive phrases, then the grand total is 810,067,360 people around the world to whom you can wish a festive greeting. Okay, we'll be back again soon with another festive phrase, and we'll be returning to Scandinavia. In the meantime, thank you and goodbye.
Gracias y hasta luego.
Festive Phrases is brought to you by the Radiolingua Network. If you would like to find out more about learning a language anytime, anywhere with Radiolingua, please visit our website on radiolingua.com. To find out about our workshops and products for schools, please visit radiolinguaschools.com.